Last updated November 2, 2017, 12:07 p.m. EDT. CBS News. Nancy Cordes contributed to this report. House Republicans are unveiling their tax overhaul Thursday, making some changes, yet looking to preserve current tax rules for retirement accounts popular with middle-class Americans and to retain a top income tax rate for million-dollar earners. GOP negotiators scrambled this week to finalize details of the first major revamp of the tax system in 3 decades. They missed the self-imposed Wednesday deadline as top Republicans batted down rumors that the public rollout could be delayed until next week. The legislation would fulfill a long-standing goal for Capitol Hill Republicans who see a once-in-a-generation opportunity to clean up an inefficient, loophole-cluttered tax code. But there is lingering opposition from Northeastern Republicans fearful of losing a cherished deduction for state and local taxes and anxiety among other rank-and-file lawmakers over emerging details. While the plan's unveiling will be hailed as a win by the Trump administration, according to a new CBS News poll, providing sweeping tax cuts are not a priority for everyone, including many Republicans. 7 in 10 Americans think the president and Congress should address other issues before passing a tax cut and reform bill, and only a slim majority of Republicans see the issue as top priority. The formal rollout takes place following the weekly House GOP conference meeting. The president will also meet with House members at the White House to discuss the legislation later Thursday afternoon. At context, schema.org, at type, video object. Thumbnail URL, https, web link unveil tax plan, description, CBS live coverage of House Republicans unveiling tax plan, content rating, PG-13, video quality, 720p, publication, at type, broadcast event, is live broadcast, through, start date, 2017 11/02 T15:00:00.000Z, end date, 2017 11/02 T19:00:00.000Z, upload date, 2017 11/02 T15:00:00.000Z. Follow along for live updates below. Ways and Means Committee unveils 429-page tax reform bill. The proposal was posted on its website. Paul Ryan says the tax reform plan will give people relief at a formal unveiling with American families standing behind lawmakers. The House Speaker said that the typical family of 4 would save $1,182 a year on their taxes under the Republican plan. Ryan said it would make a real difference in how people to pay phone bills, help pay down debt, renovate homes faster and put money away for college. The Wisconsin Republican said that the plan would get rid of loopholes for special interests and it would make things so simple that it would allow people to do taxes on the size of a postcard. This plan is for the middle-class families in our country who deserve a break, Ryan said. Bill would end the deduction for state income taxes, but retains write-off of state and local property taxes. The bill would also end the deduction for state income taxes but retains the write-off of state and local property taxes. That deduction would be capped at $10,000, however. This change would affect taxpayers in states that have high state and local property taxes, like California, New York and New Jersey. Details being rolled out at closed-door conference meeting. The details of the plan, outlined below, are being presented to members of the House Republican Conference behind closed doors Thursday morning and will be unveiled to the public around 11:15 a.m. ET. House GOP proposes cutting the home mortgage interest deduction in half while the Republicans said that they would preserve the home mortgage interest deduction for existing mortgages and maintains the home mortgage interest deduction for newly purchased homes. It says it would be up to $500,000. According to the IRS, Americans are able to deduct interest on their mortgages of up to $1 million. Lobbyists receive details of tax plan. House Republicans are unveiling the Tax Cuts and Jobs Act, which according to 2 pages of talking points circulated to lobbyists Thursday, would provide a $1,182 tax cut for a typical middle-income family of 4 earning $59,000. Specifically, It would lower individual tax rates to 0, 12%, 25% and 35%. The talking points, obtained by CBS News' Nancy Cordes, would reduce tax rates for low and middle-income Americans and doubles the standard deduction from $6,350 to $12,000 for individuals and $12,700 to $24,000 for married couples. The bill would eliminate certain taxes such as the alternative minimum tax and the so-called death tax. The plan establishes a new family credit, and would expand the child tax credit from $1,000 to $1,600. It would also preserve the child and dependent care tax credit of $300. The plan would also preserve the earned income tax credit and the home mortgage interest deduction. It would lower the corporate tax rate to 20%, which the talking points say are the largest reduction for the U.S. corporate tax rate in history. It would also lower the tax rate on hard-earned business income of Main Street job creators to no more than 25%. The talking points say the proposal would make no changes to retirement savings options including 401(k)s and individual retirement accounts.